Hello everyone, I'm here with an amazing DIY for your Xbox 360e. A custom designed on how to and much more. Hope you guys enjoy, and if you find this video helpful, please hit that red subscribe button, like, share and leave a comment on what should I wrap next. Thank you.
Let's get started. For step we will need to wipe the Xbox thoroughly with 70% alcohol. Make sure all edges are clean thoroughly of any dirt and debris. Be extra careful on the edges. Second step, we will need to get the design or the wrap. Apply. Remove the backing 1 to 2 inches. Position the wrap and use a squeegee with a felt edge to tuck the wrap in place. After you finish, remove the backing 3 to 4 inches and squeegee down. When you reach to the remove the backing completely and wrap the front of the Xbox. Next step is to press all edges so that you can start trim away the excess material. Use the squeegee to do that. You can use a knife to trim away the excess material. Trim till to the edge. Pull the excess material with the outward motion away from the Xbox. Do the same step on the other side, as you can see in the video. Use your fingers to press edge. At the front of the Xbox, trim away the excess material. Be very careful. Do the same on the other side. Use the squeegee to press the edges. Now we will work on the disc tray. Use your finger to seam the grooves of the disc tray. You can now use your knife to trim within the disc tray. You can use your slide for better visibility on the edges. Trim along the lines. If your blade gets dull, you can use the back of the knife to snap the blade and get a new edge, a sharper edge to trim it again. Use a squeegee to press the edge that you just trimmed. Go for back with your squeegee on the edges. For better adhesion to the surface. Now we work on the bottom. Use your finger to press out excess bubbles. Cut 1/2 inches or 1 inches from the bottom, for the bottom. Now we go on the back of the Xbox. Fold back all edges. Use your knife to trim away excess material. Be very careful. And that's it, finish. Easy, simple, fast. If you like this video, please like, share, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment on what I should wrap my Xbox with next. Thank you.